Target marketing will be even more important this year. The new line must reflect what our customer thought about the old line. We need to know what they bought, why they bought it, where they bought it, when they bought it, and how often they're likely to buy it again.
Let me say one word to you: empowerment. Salespeople with more responsibility, more autonomy. That means home offices, and that means proposal information, cost information, pricing information available around the clock. That's right, we're going virtual.
During the last 18 months, we've moved from long runs to short runs to micro runs. We've gone from separate facilities to shared facilities to integrated facilities. And that's still not enough. Just in time isn't fast enough.
To stay competitive, we should look to achieve cost containment of 8% minimum this year, within the first half in every department.
How did the competition do? I don't need a graphic to tell you that a boot and our posterior were involved.
If we could have our suppliers monitor their supplies in our facilities.
If we put in place a new customer loyalty program.
If we could do proposal pricing and credit approvals.
If we replace the old billing system with a whole new billing system.
If we knew.
If we could.
If we had.
If we only.
Then we'd really be able to do something here.
I know this is new for us, but you can't steer by looking in the rearview mirror.
Either this works, or we go down in flames. Or over the falls, or something. Anyway, not a good place to be.
There'll be some difficult changes, of course.
Frankly, the situation is urgent. It has to change, completely.
We'll need Bob's help with equipment.
Bob needs to get us the right software.
Bob's group will be pivotal in managing the data.
Of course, we think Bob's got to be driving this.
So, Bob, you're the CIO. What do you think?
Let me make sure I understand you all. We need access to information whenever we want it from wherever you need it. We need to make sure we know what we know. We need to better target our targets. We need to better apply the applications we have and get the new ones working better and faster. We need to retool our products, retool our plans, and retool our people. We need to handle much larger volumes at a much lower cost. The situation is so dynamic that we can't predict when we'll need what or how much we'll need when, but when we need it, we need it. All of which is mission critical, slightly overdue, and which, if addressed individually, would surely lead to chaos and a decade of trying to catch up to the competition who would certainly overtake us in the marketplace. But if every function of this corporation is successfully linked and integrated, it will lead to our success as the flexible, single-minded, well-oiled machine we were meant to be.